Good day. Today we are going to look at my profitable trading strategy for cryptocurrencies. Have fun with this video and I hope you learned something new today. Let's go. Let's start by analyzing a live chart. For that I am using TradingView. The first step in my strategy is to identify support and resistance. In case you don't know what that is, those are the market prices on which the price is likely to reverse. You can see that based on where the price has reversed in the closer past. If you want to practice this, you can hop on a chart and scroll back a little. Then analyze and check if you were correct. You can see me do this here. I personally set my support and resistance lines at the end of the candles. Others prefer to set it at the middle or the end of wicks. I believe that it's best to set it at the end of the candles because it is much more precise than all others. The next thing I do is to check if there are some short-term trends. If so, I set trend lines for them. The next thing is to look at the RSI and check the highs and lows. If a lower low is a higher low on the RSI, the trend is likely to reverse. If I think that I can't act on a certain analysis, I try to find things that aren't that obvious. That is what I am doing right now. At this point I am happy with my technical analysis. Now I think about in which direction the price is likely to move. For that I am using many different tools. There I look at the RSI again to check if there are any well-known patterns. There were none. I know at this point that my thoughts aren't based on enough facts. That's why I searched for tinier support and resistances or trends. At this point I went deeper into detail and searched for an Elliott wave pattern. This happens nearly all the time because close to every trend acts on the shape of an Elliott wave. I struggled a bit, but after a bit of time I got it correctly. I use the Elliott wave in a different way than it is made to be. I suggest you to learn it the right way. That means the way Elliott actually intended it to be used, because in this way the wave is much more powerful. After that you can see me using a trend-based fib extension. If you want a tutorial for that, make sure to leave a like. I cannot explain the fib extension in this video, but it is extremely overpowered, so search it up on YouTube and definitely make sure to use it in your analysis. I marked the two most important zones for the moment to clear the chart picture again. I desperately searched for some other trends. There I looked at a more general way at the chart to identify stronger trends, and after that also marking them correctly. So I hopped back on the chart to see that the case I wanted the least happened. It retested the resistance at the bottom. I was pretty sure that it will break it. That's why from that moment I just wanted to make sure that it doesn't turn back around to potentially start a short despite all indicators were on a buy. That's very risky, by the way. Do not do this. I made a cut there because I was pretty desperate searching for a solution. Then I spotted another good indicator for the upside. It's always good to look at a bigger picture. That's when you often see strong trends. Okay. I need to correct myself. I wasn't pretty desperate. I was absolutely desperate. That's why I'm cutting out so much. I still had hope in a fake out even though I knew it wasn't going to happen. At this point I knew that's it. And that is why this video ends here, but wait. Please look at the end card. I think it is beautiful. If you liked this video, I am happy because it took very long to produce it. Bye, have a great day and good luck trading. I looked at the analysis a few days later and this is what it looks like. It was perfect that I didn't took this trade. Funny is that when I wanted to start a new analysis 4 days later the resistance were still respected. That means that they were absolutely correct. What a success, even despite it was no trade, but keep in mind that every money you don't lose is still your money. I didn't make profit, but still better than a loss.